the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So let's get right into it. So first and foremost, congratulations to OP COD Productions. You did win the Dogelon Mars giveaway. I ended up getting in contact with them over Discord. Wow, excuse me. I did get with him over Discord last night actually at 11 p.m. And congratulations, because he won the 500 million and I sent him the 500 million. I paid for the fee, which was a couple of dollars, so obviously it's unfortunate, but I bought back my coins, but like I bought back 0.00001 more, so now I have like OCD and I'm like, dude, I have to make this even. But whatever. Regardless, the coins were sent, and if OP COD Productions, if you want to go ahead and just comment and just say, you know, whatever you want to say, just so that people know that obviously I delivered on my giveaway, right? Yeah, so I have to figure out a different way, because apparently YouTube blocks the address. So he was commenting the address, but YouTube was blocking it. So I have to figure out a better way of doing that if I do more giveaways in the future. So anyway, just a thought. Anyway, let's look at the RSI, the stock RSI. We're about to break the moving average. So again, guys, like I really think that we're gonna go, but just remember that even if we go back up to these levels, anywhere between here, it's still not going to be bullish, okay? So don't be disappointed. So I know like this is going to probably get a lot of like people excited, right? All of a sudden, and this is like, again, if I was a trader, I'd probably be like a millionaire, but it's okay. I don't have time to be a trader. Maybe in the future, right? But I really think we're going to get something like this where we come back up and we get rejected in this box somewhere and we come back down. The problem is that if we do come back down, we do need to look, like if this floor doesn't hold for whatever reason, then the next area of support is going to be this 0.8, adding a 0.8 that we're talking about, and that is going to be the next capitulation down. So just keep in mind, if we come up here, tag it, go back down, consolidate, and then we break down, the next area of support is adding a 0.8, which would absolutely decimate. Like, let's just see what that would do to my position. But like, I'm pretty public with it, right? Like, you guys see how many coins I have. You guys saw, like, if you look at my videos back in November of last year, which was here, yeah, or even October. Hopefully it's October, so you can see that I had exactly, or I had however many coins I had over here. You can see that I'm holding, right? I'm not selling. And I'm not saying that because I'm saying that you guys shouldn't sell. Believe me, I'm going to sell on the way up. Like, there's no, I don't care how many people say, oh, you sold, blah, blah. Yeah, duh, heck yeah. I'm here to make money. I'm here to invest in a project that I believe in, but also I'm here to reap the rewards when it goes up. Like, nobody can take that away from me. But also, it's like, oh, why didn't you sell here? Because that wasn't, I don't think this is the, I think it's going to go way higher than this. Like, this didn't really excite me. It was nice to see your account go from like 4 grand to 13 grand, whatever it was, 14 grand. But like, and it is disheartening for it to come all the way back down. But again, I always talk about how it's so important. And if you guys listen to me, it's just, don't just randomly throw money in the crypto market, because if you do, you're not psychologically, it's just, you're not still, you're like all over the place. So you need to have a plan. It's so important to have a plan, okay? Because if you don't, you're going to make the same mistakes that I've done in the past, and you're going to get chopped up, which is exactly why I'm not selling, and exactly why I'm telling you guys, like, even if it's not Dogelon Mars, it's another coin, I will look at it and I will tell you guys, hey, you know, if anything, if you guys want to buy this coin, this is a good area to buy because it's support, and we already know 99% of the time the crypto market goes down, so you should really be accumulating for 99% of the time, and then you have like a 1 week, 2 week, 6 month window, whatever it is, to get out. So anyway, with Dogelon Mars and with Rufus Chain and with all this other stuff coming out, like I don't know, I don't see how this coin isn't going to go to the same levels as Shiba Inu, because it's basically, in my opinion, it's like Shiba Inu's little brother. Anyway, enough of that. Like, I just hope this resonates with people and people understand, because if you understand, then most likely you have a, like, what do you call it? Like, you have a, you have your head on straight, and you logically, like, you're seeing this from a logical perspective. You're like, oh, okay, like, it's okay. We already know the crypto market goes down. Yeah, it sucks. I'm down this much money, but I'm not going to panic sell, because, you know, like, once you're in, you're in. Like, you're always going to look at it. You're always going to be like, oh man, if only I held. Like, in 6 months to a year from now, when this thing is like, you know, whatever, here, even here, right? It's still going to be like, oh man, if only I had bought $1,000. Now I have to spend $3,000 on the same amount of coins that I bought here instead of here. Which I don't think, like, I would not buy when this thing starts going up. That's just me though. I know people are like, oh, I'm buying all the way on the way up. Like, don't do that. That's my opinion. I wouldn't do that. I would buy when it's in the absolute lows. Anyway, enough of that. We're not bullish at all until we get over 20. We already knew that. Next area support is 008. As far as the ceiling goes, it is going to be, as far as the floor goes, it is going to be around the 12 to the 13, which is exactly where we are. We've already talked about this, so this area absolutely needs to hold. As long as this area holds, then we should theoretically be fine, and then hopefully get up on out of here. But just also remember, it's done this before, right? Where it goes up, comes all the way back down, and then goes up, right? It's a shakeout, right? So it goes up, comes all the way back down, and then maybe in October we go up. And remember, and I always talk about this now because I see it. Just keep in mind, for those that are like watching this entire video, and it's crazy because sometimes people comment and they're not like listening to the entire video. So if you're actually like, what do you call it? If you're connected and if you're zoomed in on what I'm saying, then check this out, because this is very important. And on the monthly candles, okay, so on the monthly candles, it literally looks identical, and it's just a pattern. I don't know if I'm in the same boat as you guys, right? We just gotta like see what's going on and try to figure it out, right? We're all trying to figure it out. But you can clearly see that August 2021, September 2021, we had red candles, and then in October, we had a giant green candle. All right, fast forward. August, bearish. September 2022, bearish. And then October 2022, we had a green candle. We had a recovery. Now, fast forward 2023. August, red candle. September 2023, red candle. October, we had a green candle. All right. August, red candle. I think September, red candle. Probably the last shakeout. We're probably going to come back here. And I don't know, we might not, but I'm just saying. That's why also, like definitely, like, this is a good buying opportunity. If it actually goes back down to 708, that would be insane. You'll definitely see me picking it back at that point. And October, my prediction is obviously what it's done for the last 3 years, right? Red, red, green, 1 year. Red, red, green, 2 year. Red, red, green, 3 year. We're on year 4 right now. Red, red. I'm assuming October is going to be green, right? If we just basic patterns. But anyway, also, I know that they're doing a lot of stuff in Q3, so it kind of coincides with that, right? So it's not like just a coincidence, right? Or it might be. But again, I know Q3, Rufus is supposed to come out, and there's just a lot of good news supposed to come out. So just keep that in mind. Don't be discouraged in September if we have another red candle. Just brace for it, prepare for it. Just understand that that's always a possibility, right? Also understand that this thing could go to absolute zero, but regardless, I mean, we know what we're investing in when we're putting our money into the crypto market, because we want to become rich, right? We want to make a lot of money and fast, and as we all know, that's really possible if you put your money in the right coin. And I think Dogelon Mars is the right coin because it's been out for so long. It has price history. It has a lot of history. Like the fact that it got tweeted by Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik sent the coins to Methuselah. Then private investors bought the coins for Methuselah. Yeah, okay, let me just fork out however many millions or whatever deal. Hopefully not all at once. Like maybe like throughout the course of like, I don't know. If it was me, I would be like, hey, like let's work out a deal. I know you guys can't sell, but how about I pay you like every single year a certain amount, and obviously you guys can't sell because you'll absolutely tank the market. So I would definitely get it at a shark price, but that's just me thinking in terms of like if I were buying it. But hopefully, they got a good deal on that. Everyone's making money and they're developing it. The name is awesome. It's Dogecoin, Doge Elon, and then Mars. It's amazing. And then not to mention the website. The website's really cool. So I don't know. If this was a dead coin, then they wouldn't be remaking this. They wouldn't be buying the coins from Methuselah. They wouldn't be doing X, Y, and Z. So, like, it's just a no-brainer in my opinion. I'm holding this to zero. $5,000 or, 6,000, whatever, isn't going to make me or break me. 13 grand or 14 grand up here isn't going to, make me or break me. We're in this for the long haul, and we'll see what happens. But I hope we all make it. I hope this thing gets listed. I hope the volume goes up. And again, I do think that, the fact that Crypto.com is on Coinbase, and the fact that Crypto.com is holding mostly the number one wallet for Dogelon Mars is Crypto.com. I really do think that eventually Coinbase and Crypto.com are going to get together to get this listed, and the volume is just going to go up because everyone's in it to try to make money. So us as the early investors, quote unquote early investors, are going to reap the benefits. That's my theory, my opinion. That's what I'm seeing. So, call me smart, call me dumb. It doesn't matter. I don't care. That's my game plan. I'm pretty set on it. Anyway, before I let you guys go, and basically before you guys fall asleep with all my babbling, let's look at the Binance Peg token wallet. No in transaction, still at $39. Nothing too crazy. And then let's look at the Burn wallet, which. Okay, so 27 hours ago, $26. So yeah, there's a little bit of transactions in 12 cents, $1.25, $1.25, $1.25, 26.48. I wonder if interesting. I wonder if when you send money and you pay the transaction fee, if they're burning it. Because I sent coins, and I wonder how much of a fee I paid. I'll look into it, because that'll be interesting if they burn burn the transaction fees. Because I wonder how much I paid for it. But anyway, that's all that I got. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for all of your support. I'll let you guys know when I'm gonna do the next giveaway. Obviously, it's gonna be in a while. I have to look at my P&L to figure out how much money I want to allocate to giveaways and how much money I want to allocate to cat donations. And I'm just going to take it from there. And I'm trying to make cool videos, and I'm just trying to get creative with it. I know I make a lot of videos, and I know I have around 24 videos and member coins and stuff, but Dogelon Mars stays very close to the heart because this is the one coin along with OXT, but let's not talk about that crap. Dogelon Mars is one of the coins that I am holding and I believe in, along with OXT, and eventually that thing will give me my money back, but again, that's a different story. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. I'll announce the next giveaway maybe in a couple weeks, and maybe it'll be more. I mean, if we go down to 0008, if we add a 08, then I could buy more. And I think the giveaway will be more people will participate. There were 19 people that participated, and again, congratulations to OP Cod Productions. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll let you guys go. I will catch you guys in the next video.